Sure, Alex, for sure.
Let's see.
I hug you.
Do I?
Alex, have a hug.
Can't even see. You barely see on this thing. We are the workout guys. We are the workout guys. Let's all get cut and lean. Hey, we are the workout guys. We are machines. We are I'm always there. I don't know. Can I keep this? Can I keep this? I can?
Okay, AC, you should answer like 3 more really cool questions.
Hi, Austin.
Hello.
What does it feel like when you make girls' dreams come true?
It makes me feel amazing. It's the best feeling in the world.
Can I just
I
hand
love
this
it
to
too.
him?
I like your case, by the way. Very cool. Sure. Give it a nice toss up here.
Austin, do you remember me from Syracuse?
That was ages ago.
No, it was like 2 weeks ago.
Who's got a question?
Can me and my sister meet your mom?
You got mom? Maybe she's over there, so maybe the meet and greet. Yeah.
Hi, Mom. On 3, everybody say hi, Mom. 1, 2, 3.
What hotel are you staying in?
I actually have no idea.
Will you marry me?
Sure.
Alright, guys, let's get some good questions. Who has a good question for Austin? Right back here.
There's a lot back here, I think.
Can you burp on command? And if you can you?
I definitely cannot do that. Can you do that? Are you sure? That's gotta be a good talent.
When you first dropped out of school to be homeschooled, did like people make fun of you
Make fun of me for dropping out of...
for being homeschooled?
Oh, no.
I was homeschooled.
No, definitely not. You're homeschooled?
I was.
You were?
Yeah.
It's great, right? You just do it whenever you feel like the best.
Okay, AC. Before you get to the second round of questions and everybody on this side, I think it would be a cool idea if Austin played another song. What do you think?
Yes. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. So make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. So, baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Use your beauty's description. You look so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame you don't even know what you're worth. 'Cause everywhere you go, these serpents stay. 'Cause you're better than Jones. And from the head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Cause if I was your man, baby, you'd never worry about what I do. And I'll be coming home back to you. And every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman with pieces full of diamonds. Cause baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection to show you the way love's supposed to be. So, baby, you should let me